Just come on to this website, sign up for absolutely free, use a few of these offers, and then watch your profits grow all in passive income without you lifting a finger. Hey guys, I hope you're ready for a life-changing video because today I'm gonna be showing you how this new app can pay you $231 every 10 minutes. And you can earn all this without any previous experience in the financial world. This method is available all around the world and it is only a few months old, so it's guaranteed to work through 2021 if you're a maximalist like I am. Then make sure to watch the whole video with focus because it's going to share a few small secret steps that will maximize your profit. And guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon because that way you are not only helping me but you are making sure that you won't miss out on any new method that can potentially make you thousands of dollars every single month. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's jump into step number 1. Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're gonna be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe. Step number 1. So in step number 1, I want you to come on to offervault.com. Now guys, when you come on to offervault.com, you will be able to see this dashboard in front of you. So over here on this dashboard, you have a lot of information, a lot of tabs, and a lot of ads as well. Now firstly, ignore the ads. Don't focus on the ads, only focus on the things that I tell you to focus on in this video. So what is OfferVault? OfferVault is basically a affiliate marketplace or a CPA marketplace, depending upon how you want to go about this website. So they have many offers and you can promote those offers and you can make money from them. That is the basic procedure. Now the problem comes when people get a product from this website but don't have the traffic for it. Well guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you an awesome free way through which you can get traffic as well. So make sure to watch it until the end and not skip anything. So now focusing back on the strategy, over here you can see a list of offers present. So you can literally promote all these offers and you can make money from all of them. And some of these offers are going to pay you less money, some of these offers are going to pay you more money, and some of these offers can pay you a lot of money. So the money is there, the cash is there, but the only thing is that you have to be consistent, focused, and determined to do this method. So I'm just gonna open up this first offer over here, and when I go over to this offer, I can see all the money that I can make from this offers. So firstly, we have the offer's name and then we have the payout. So we can make $0.80 per click we get to this particular product. So if a person clicks on our affiliate link for this product, well then we can make $0.80 per every single person. Now below that you have the category section, and then after that you have the networks section, and then also the countries it's supported in. Now guys, usually you should have a product that is supported in multiple countries, but even if you don't, well, it's not a problem because you can specifically target your audience of that particular country. Now if I were to open up this offer, the highest paying one in this list, it is the absolute same, but it is gonna pay you $440 and just a fixed price, not CPAs. So guys, you basically have to do your research and find the product which you think is gonna be the most beneficial for you. Now usually CPA products are the best. Fixed price products can pay you money, but that is just one-time income. You want to make money consistently in passive income because that is the ultimate goal. As Warren Buffett, the famous investor, said, if you're not making money while you're sleeping, well then you will work the rest of your life, and you want to make money while you're sleeping. So that is why you are watching this video. So if I were to open up another offer just to make sure that we have the best offer, I think I like this one and I like this one. Now I've opened up these two. Now this one is a lead offer, and lead offers are usually very hard to promote and the money is not a lot. So I'm simply going to close this out, and this one is a CPA offer. So this is going to pay you $26 per person that clicks. So let's say if 100 people click, well then you, my friend, would have made $2,600. Isn't that amazing? Honestly, that is a lot of money, and you guys should definitely go for products like this because these products are the products that make the money. Now all that you need to do now is simply register for absolutely free by clicking clicking on this register button over here, and once you click there, you will see this dashboard in front of you. So over here you have a very nice note which says thanks for visiting, and then on the right side simply put in all your information that they're asking for and then click on submit now, and you are done with step number 1. And now we're gonna jump into step number 2. Step number 2. So in step number 2, I want you to come on to cpalead.com. Now guys, once you signed up on OfferWall, you guys must have your affiliate link now, because you get your affiliate link as soon as you sign up. Now you have to make sure that you have that link copied, and while you have that link copied, come over here on CPA Lead. Now you can make additional money from this website as well, and you can make money on top of your OfferWall section. So what I want you to do now is that simply click on the top right corner where it says sign up, and then sign up for absolutely free on this particular website. Now this might take a couple of seconds to load up, but as soon as it loads up, I want you to sign up either with Facebook, Google, or just by putting in all your new information. And once you've done that, I'm gonna catch you guys in step number 3 once you've signed up successfully. Step number 3. So in step number 3, once you've signed up successfully, you will be able to see this dashboard in front of you. So over here you have your total earnings, you have your yesterday's earnings, and then you have your month to date earnings. Now guys, all these things are important because once you have a lot of products being promoted at the same time, you want to make sure that you have track of every single dollar that's coming in. Now guys, I want you to take a look at their left side. So at the left side you have their landing pages, and then you have their local statistics and offer section. What I want you to do is that simply click on their offer wall, and then from over here you can even create your own offer wall if you want to make additional money. But right now I'm not gonna go into like a lot of detail for this particular website, because this is very similar to offer walls, and you can promote whichever product you like depending upon the payout which is over here. The more the payout, the more money you make, but then again, make sure to only pick CPA products. So guys, this was step number 3, and now we're gonna quickly jump into step number 4, because we like to keep things very simple on this channel. So without wasting any more time, here is step number 4. Step number 4. So in step number 4, I want you to come on to profitmate.net. Now guys, this is an extremely amazing tool, and this is a bonus if you want to make the most money from these offer vault websites. So once you come on to this website, you will be able to see this dashboard in front of you, and over here we have a tagline saying that you can instantly build an unlimited email list from the internet in 42 seconds. Now what is this tool? So using this tool, you can get 100% original traffic, and you can simply send your offer out to hundreds and thousands of emails all around the globe, and you won't have to do anything manually. So over here you can see that it's all there 100% automated. You can get 100,000 leads, and you can turn those leads into sales, and all of that is done automatically for you guys and without interfering. All that you'll need to do is simply log in, and their dashboard is going to look something like this. And then over here you have all your tools. What you can do now is that simply lie down, put your blanket on top of you, and then just simply watch your profits go. Now below that you can also see like all the things that they offer, and you don't need any website, any autoresponder, your own products to sell. You can simply get products from OfferWall. Like basically you don't need to waste money on any of these things. So all in all, this is a complete tool for any business who wants to grow themselves and wants to make money effortlessly without lifting a finger. And yes, this is 100% legal and safe. You are collecting leads from the contact us pages on Google for any topic, which means you are just legally reaching out to people via contact data they have offered you. This app just automated. So guys, all in all, it is amazing, and right now they have an awesome discount going on. So basically you can use this tool for just $16, and again $16 you can make back in just 5 minutes of using this application, because this application makes you tens of thousands of dollars. So $16 is nothing, but the offer is there. Just make sure to come to this page and then check this out. And if for any reason you don't like the product, which is very rare because everybody likes this, but let's say if you're in the 0.00001% of people who don't like this product, well then you can get your money back within 30 days of you purchasing it. So it's a win-win for both sides, because guys, like in times of COVID, when there is just so much going on, like people are literally losing everything that they had, every single thing. So for you to like go out and do these methods, try out these different applications, try out these different websites is a really groundbreaking, because not only does it allow you to become a savior for your friends and family, because in these difficult times everybody needs a job, but also it helps you to like make a living for yourself and earn some additional money for yourself, so that you guys can also achieve your financial goals, whether that be buying a Lamborghini, whether that be buying your own motorcycle, whether that be helping someone else. It all depends upon you, but my job is to make sure you guys get resources, get ways to monetize your time online, because that is what we want ultimately, and that is our end goal from this channel. So guys, all in all, if you guys face any confusions, you guys know how you guys can reach out to me through the comment section down below, because I respond to all the comments who really want help, and I will guide you till the end, until and unless you guys understand every single thing. So guys, this was the method, and if you guys face any problems, any confusions, any issues at all, just let me know in the comments down below, and I will be sure to address them all as well. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.